All right, Trading Card Club live Tuesday, November 3rd. This is our 8 p.m. Mountain Standard Time break. We've got 12 hangers of Mosaic basketball. Just going to give it a few minutes for some folks to join in. I know there was a little bit of a daylight savings error this weekend, so I want to make sure everybody gets a chance to join the break. But as always, if you're not able to join the break, we do post them to our YouTube channel about 30 minutes after the break is over. Yeah, buddy. Let's get hype. Let's pull some fire. Let's pull the hot ones. We'll get started in another minute or so. Just want to give it a chance for some folks to join. Again, this is the 12 hangers of Mosaic basketball, 8 p.m. Mountain Standard Time break. That's a tough question to answer, Salty Sig. I myself personally don't ever get anything in breaks, but when we do these breaks, we tend to pull quite a few great cards. Numbered cards, Genesis, the whole nine. Hoping we can do the same tonight. Let's go ahead and get this started. Alrighty, everybody, here we go. Good luck. Alrighty, here we go. Luke Kennard, Karis LeVert, Fred VanVleet, Derrick Rose, James Harden, Nikola Jokic, Devin Booker, Malcolm Brogdon, Chris Paul, Silver, Domantas Sabonis, Joel Embiid reactive, Tristan Thompson, Brooke Lopez, and Dennis Schroeder. T-Mac Jam Masters, Will DeWin Griffin. There's a nice one there for the Bucks. We got a Giannis Antetokounmpo, MVP. Nasir Little, NBA debut Cam Reddish, and a Cam Johnson. Andrew Wiggins, Rashawn Holmes, Zach Levine, Zach Collins, Sabonis, Ogogie, Robinson, Porter Jr., Will Barton, a Silver Prism TJ Tucker, Bruno Fernando, Patrick Ewing. There's a nice hit there for the Bulls. There you go, Stephen G., a Kobe White reactive. And following up with a nice hit for the Warriors. There you go, Dwayne T. with the reactive MVP Curry. Patrick Ewing, Jam Masters LeBron, Cam Reddish NBA debut, Cam Johnson, Pete Maravich, and Cam Reddish. I believe that's his variation. Box number 3. Andrew Wiggins, Rashawn Holmes, Zach Levine, Zach Collins, Mason Plumlee, Diallo, Shamet, Lamb, Beal, Green Prism Terry Rozier, Reactive Nance Jr., Oladipo, Covington, Harris. Got Game De'Aaron Fox, a Will to Win Silver Prism Donovan Mitchell. There's a nice one there for Utah, Tanner J. A Nasir Little, another NBA debut Cam Reddish, Cam Johnson, and a Hall of Fame Pistol Pete. That was a Utah Jazz. It was a Will to Win Silver Prism Donovan Mitchell. Aaron Gordon, Serge Ibaka, Cody Zeller, Jellica, Ingram, Diallo, Shamet. Ooh, there's a Genesis. It is Zach Collins for the Portland Trailblazers. Blake Griffin Silver. DeLon Wright Reactive. Terrence Ross. Jaren Jackson Jr. And Bogdanovich. Dwight Howard Jam Masters. Another Utah hit here. Got Game Green Prism Donovan Mitchell. NBA debut Eric Paschall. Cabangele. Malone. And Jordan Poole. Nikola Vucevic, Jason Tatum, Patty Mills, Jeff Teague, Anthony Davis, Paul Millsap, DeAndre Ayton, Miles Turner, PJ Washington, CJ McCollum Green Prism, Troy Brown Reactive, Burks, Osman, and Isaac, CJ McCollum, Jam Mastered Silver Prism Irving, Bruno Fernando, Patrick Ewing, Kobe White base, and MVP Steph Curry. Klay Thompson, Blake Griffin, DeLon Wright, Terrence Ross, Jaren Jackson, John Collins, Adebayo, Paul George, Lonzo Ball. There's a nice Warriors hit. Green Prism, and an NBA debut, Eric Paschall. NBA debut, Nicolo Melli. PJ Washington reactive. Nice one there for the Hornets. There you go, Jason H. Hall of Fame Barkley. And a nice one for the Wizards. Damon H with the Rui reactive. Will to win Pascal. Joel Embiid got game. Scottie Pippen. Kendrick Nunn. Chamberlain. And a Bol. Bruce Brown, C.J. McCollum, Terry Rozier, Kyle Lowry, Trae Young, Enes Kanter, Rajon Rondo, Daniel House, Malik Monk. It's a not bad hit here there for Atlanta. A silver Trae Young. There you go, James. Reactive Millsap, Ayton, Turner, and Gallinari. Nikola Vucevic, Pascal Siakam, Kareem, Admiral Schofield, Kobe White NBA debut, and a Terrence Mann. Aaron Gordon, Serge Ibaka, Cody Zeller, Jellica, there's a LeBron, Ferguson, Winslow, Clarkson, Sabonis, Green Prism Jones, Reactive Oubre, Jones, Gordon, and Wall. Jam Masters Kemp. There's a silver prism Ben Simmons. Give and go. Kobe White NBA debut, Terrence Mann, Hall of Fame Robertson, and Kyle Guy. Yeah, you're right. Kobe White has been coming out a lot in this break. All right, we got 4 boxes left. Mason Plumlee, Terrence Prince, Pascal Siakam, Markelle Fultz, Kemba Walker, Marcus Smart, Colin Sexton, George Hill. There's a Zion variation. Nice hit there for the Pellies. Noah C with that hit. Ricky Rubio, Green Prism. Reactive Danny Green. Eric Bledsoe. Kyrie Irving. Damian Jones. Will to win Russ Westbrook. Green Prism DeMar DeRozan. Jordan Poole NBA debut. Goga Badatsi. Dwayne Wade. And Eric Paschall. Mark Gasol, Aaron Holiday, Anthony Simons, Rudy Gobert, Enes Kanter, Daniel House, Rondo, Monk, Richardson, Silver, Dalio, Reactive Horford, Ingram, Diallo, and Shamet. Old School Dawkins, Jam Masters Drexler, Matthias Thibault, John Stockton, NBA debut Jackson Hayes, and Carson Edwards. All right, 2 boxes left. LeBron James, Dylan Brooks, Kevin Huerter, Randall, Green, Robinson, Porter, Barton, DeAndre Hunter, Julius Randle, Green Prism, Taj Gibson, Aaron Baines, DiVincenzo, and Harris, Jam Masters Spud Webb, Will to Win, Green Prism, CJ McCollum, NBA debut Kobe White, there he is again, Terrence Mann, Hall of Fame Robertson, and Kyle Guy. Alrighty, everybody, last box of the break. Good luck. Jaren Jackson, Bogan Bogdanovic, D'Angelo Russell, Caldwell Pope, Forbes, Millsap, Ayton, Turner. There's a Tyler Hero. Tyler Hero, nice hit there for Miami. There you go, Jack R. Green Prism, Cam Johnson. Nice hit there for Phoenix. Admiral Schofield, Wilt Chamberlain, Darius Garland, and a Taco Fall NBA debut reactive. Nice hit there for the Celtics. Give and Go Holiday, Got Game Beal, Scottie Pippen, Kendrick Nunn, Wilt Chamberlain, and a Bol. Alrighty, let's go ahead and gather up the hits here of the break and take a look at those. All right, we've got the reactive MVP Steph Curry, the reactive Kobe White, several NBA debut Kobe Whites, the Zach Collins Genesis, silver Trae Young, Kobe White base, Eric Paschal Green NBA debut, Rui reactive, PJ Washington reactive, PJ Washington variation, and the hit of the break here, the Zion Williamson variation. Alrighty, everybody. As always, we definitely appreciate you joining the breaks. That is going to be it for the Trading Card Club tonight. I know there was a little bit of a mix-up with the time zone era this weekend, so if you were not able to join the breaks, our breaks are live on our feed as well as our YouTube. You're able to access via the link in the bio. But as always, we appreciate everybody. Thank you and have a good night.